Welcome to our channel, guys. In this video, we tell you about Caller ID. Caller ID, Truecaller's main feature is its ability to identify unknown callers. When you receive a call from a number not in your contacts, Truecaller searches its massive database to provide you with the caller's name or business. This can help you avoid picking up calls from telemarketers or scammers. Spam call blocking. Truecaller has an extensive spam database that's constantly updated by its global user community. The app automatically detects and blocks spam calls from numbers flagged by users, so you don't even hear the phone ring. Call recording. Truecaller offers call recording as a premium feature. This is great for users who need to record calls for business or legal reasons. However, this feature is not available in all regions due to privacy laws. Messaging. Truecaller also offers in-app messaging, allowing you to send free text to other Truecaller users. It comes with built-in SMS blocking for unwanted texts as well. Flash messaging, a unique feature. Flash messaging lets you send predefined, quick messages to contacts like, "I'm on my way," or "Call me back," making communication faster and more efficient. Caller request. If Truecaller doesn't identify a number, you can request the information from other users, adding an extra layer of personalization. Pros. Comprehensive caller ID. Truecaller's caller identification is one of the best out there. It can identify most numbers, even if they're not saved in your contacts, giving you peace of mind when answering calls. Effective spam blocking. The community-based spam list is highly reliable. Once you've used Truecaller for a while, you'll notice fewer spam calls getting through, which significantly reduces interruptions during your day. Global reach. Truecaller works in many countries, making it a great tool if you frequently travel or receive calls from abroad. User-friendly interface. The app is easy to use, with a clean design that's intuitive, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Free basic version. The core features, such as caller ID and spam blocking, are available for free, making it accessible for everyone. Cons. Privacy concerns. To function effectively, Truecaller collects a lot of data, including access to your contact list. Some users may feel uncomfortable sharing this information, especially given the growing concern over digital privacy. Ads in free version. The free version of Truecaller comes with ads, which can be distracting. If you want an ad-free experience, you'll need to upgrade to the premium version. Limited call recording. Although call recording is a useful feature, it's limited to premium users and is unavailable in certain regions due to local laws. Battery drain. Some users have reported that Truecaller can drain their phone's battery more quickly as it runs in the background to monitor calls and messages. Pricing. Truecaller offers a free version that includes caller ID, spam blocking, and messaging, but it does have ads. If you want to remove ads and access premium features like call recording, the cost starts at around $2.99 per month for the Truecaller Premium plan. They also offer a Gold membership, which includes premium support and a Golden Caller ID badge priced at $249 per year. While the free version offers solid functionality, upgrading to the premium version gives you a more polished and complete experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, Truecaller is an excellent tool for anyone who wants to gain control over who's calling them and block unwanted spam. The app's extensive caller ID and spam blocking capabilities are standout features, especially for users tired of dealing with telemarketers or unknown callers. However, the app's reliance on user data and the presence of ads in the free version may be drawbacks for some. If you don't mind sharing some data and dealing with occasional ads, the free version of Truecaller will meet most users' needs. But for a more seamless experience and additional features like call recording, the premium version might be worth the small monthly cost. Ultimately, if spam calls are a regular frustration in your life or you simply want to identify unknown numbers, Truecaller is a solid choice and well worth considering.